It's called positioning against, telling people what you're not to help them understand what you are. Apple's brilliant, super successful TV campaign said, "Mac is not boring and clumsy like PC. We're bulletproof, easy, and super cool." Now, can you use positioning against to build your brand, your traffic, your business? Absolutely. But remember, this is who you are not.
It's Carlisle Auto Mall's 12th annual Clunkorama. We'll give you $10,000 in trade on any vehicle you can drive, tow, or push into Carlisle Auto Mall. Roll the fine print, boys. How you gonna beat that?
With real people and a dealer who will always give you what your trade is worth. No double talk. And FYI, we don't have no clunkers. Mid-City Ford Subaru. How you gonna beat that? Now watch this, how every commercial can be used as a donut hole promo spot.
It's Carlisle Auto Mall's 12th annual Clunkorama. We'll give you $10,000 in trade on any vehicle you can drive, tow, or push into Carlisle Auto Mall. Roll the fine print, boys. How you gonna beat that?
This is where your 10-second promo donut goes. A spokesperson, factory footage, a video shot at your store. You got it handled, friend. Mid-City Ford Subaru. How you gonna beat that? So you get image and promo commercials in one blast through the clutter TV campaign. Here are your other 7 commercials.
Hey, it's Carlisle Auto Mall's 7th annual Cream Pufferama. If we don't have the best used car deals in town, may lightning strike me down. Whoa! We don't care if you got bad credit. We don't care if you got a prison record. You come to Carlisle and pay cash. How you gonna beat that?
By a mile. And you certainly won't have to pay cash, because no matter which of our guaranteed cars you pick, we can put you in that car without putting you in a bind. Myers Toyota. How you gonna beat that?
Hey, it's Carlisle Auto Mall's 7th annual Cream Pufferama. How you gonna beat that?
Here's a special 18-second donut hole for a special used car sales event. Taylor Buick GMC. How you gonna beat that?
It's Carlisle Auto Mall's 8th annual Trailerama. Come register to win a solid chrome double wide with the pop-out gun room. And folks, here's a mobile homeowner's tip of the week. If all the canned goods have rolled to one end of your cabinet and the water in your toilet looks crooked, you got a flat tire. Come register to win. How you gonna beat that?
Whoa! You don't want to go with him. You want to go with us. A dealer where the everyday special is, we save you money and treat you like a friend. Park Place Honda. How you gonna beat that?
It's Carlisle Auto Mall's 1st annual Gallbladder-rama. Mine had to go, and so do 200 new vehicles. My son's Squirrel.
200 new vehicles must go.
Save like never before. Touch my scar, get a car. How you gonna beat that?
You're going to beat it by coming to a dealer where every car purchase is absolutely painless. Because here, the only thing lower than the price is the pressure. Martin Dodge Hyundai. How you gonna beat that?
It's Carlisle Auto Mall's 7th annual Slimorama. Want a small car? Can't fit in one? Carlisle's is giving out free liposuction with every new compact car, performed in the comfort and privacy of our #2 Lubrac. How you gonna beat that?
I don't think so. You want a dealer where a small car comes with small payments. You do love small payments, don't you? I thought so. Davis Chevrolet Kia. How you gonna beat that?
It's Carlisle Auto Mall's 8th annual Savorama. How you gonna beat that?
Another 18-second donut hole for new or used. Webster Auto Mall. How you gonna beat that?
It's Carlisle Auto Mall's 10th annual, 12th annual New Car Save-A-Rama. You zoom in? Zoom in a little more? Okay. I'm going to say low prices, high trades, everything must go, yada, fada, fada.
That is the camera's running.
Hi. How you going to beat that?
That's easy. You're coming to the dealer with real values and real people. Yeah, when it's got our name on it, you got our word on it. Turnpike Chrysler Jeep. How you gonna beat that? A word about the slogan. You should use it everywhere. In your showroom. On your website. In your service department mailers. Lube oil filter, 1995. How you gonna beat that? Want to bring people in for a test drive? How you gonna beat that? This slogan can become part of the language of your community. You'll hear it in restaurants, at Rotary, and from the people who come into your dealership. The campaign is funny, impossible to ignore. It tells the market who you're not and who you are. As Jumper Cable Carlisle would say,
How you gonna beat that? 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 How you gonna beat that?
thanks for watching. For price and market info, call or email us. And you better do it right now before the guys down the street do.